In today's fast-paced world, achieving financial freedom is a goal that many millennials strive for. However, the burden of debt often stands in the way of this dream. In this video, we will explore the journey to becoming debt-free for millennials, discussing the importance of financial freedom, the challenges they face in managing debt, and how they can take control of their finances to secure a brighter future. Debt can have a significant impact on millennials, affecting their ability to achieve their financial goals and live the life they desire. From student loans to credit card debt, the weight of financial obligations can be overwhelming, leading to stress, anxiety, and a sense of being trapped in a cycle of debt. By understanding the importance of financial freedom and the detrimental effects of debt, millennials can take the first step towards a more secure and fulfilling future. One of the common challenges faced by millennials in managing debt is the temptation of instant gratification. In a world where consumerism is rampant and social media showcases a lifestyle of luxury and excess, it can be easy to fall into the trap of overspending and accumulating debt. Additionally, the rising cost of living, stagnant wages, and economic uncertainties further compound the challenges faced by millennials in achieving financial stability. Despite these obstacles, it is crucial for millennials to realize that they have the power to change their financial situation. By creating a budget, setting financial goals, and making conscious decisions about their spending habits, millennials can take control of their finances and work towards a debt-free future. Through this video, we aim to inspire and motivate viewers to embark on their journey to financial freedom, empowering them to make informed choices that will lead to a brighter and more secure tomorrow. Understanding debt. Debt is a common financial concept that can either be a helpful tool or a significant burden, depending on how it is managed. In this section, we will delve into the different types of debt and their implications, shedding light on the distinction between good debt, such as student loans, and bad debt, like credit card debt. We will also explore the concept of interest rates and their impact on debt repayment, as well as provide examples of how debt can hinder long-term financial goals. Good debt, such as student loans, is typically considered an investment in one's future. It enables individuals to pursue higher education and acquire valuable skills that can lead to increased earning potential and career opportunities. In contrast, bad debt, such as credit card debt, often arises from impulsive spending and high interest rates, resulting in financial strain and long-term consequences for one's financial well-being. Interest rates play a crucial role in debt repayment, as they determine the cost of borrowing money. High interest rates can significantly increase the total amount owed over time, making it more challenging to pay off debt and achieve financial freedom. By understanding how interest rates work and the impact they have on debt, viewers can make informed decisions about borrowing and repayment strategies. Debt can have a profound impact on long-term financial goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or saving for retirement. Excessive debt can limit one's ability to save and invest, delaying or derailing plans for the future. By managing debt wisely and prioritizing debt repayment, individuals can take control of their financial situation and work towards achieving their long-term aspirations. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in managing and reducing debt, providing a roadmap for financial success. In this section, we will guide viewers on how to create a realistic budget that aligns with their financial goals and helps them take control of their debt. We will outline the steps involved in budgeting, suggest useful tools or apps for organization, and stress the importance of prioritizing debt repayment within the budget. The first step in creating a budget is to track expenses and income to gain a clear understanding of one's financial situation. By categorizing expenses such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment, individuals can identify areas where they can cut back and allocate more funds towards debt repayment. Setting specific financial goals, whether it's paying off credit card debt or saving for a major purchase, provides motivation and direction for budgeting efforts. To stay organized and on track with their budget, millennials can utilize budgeting tools or apps that offer features such as expense tracking, goal setting, and bill reminders. Popular options include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital, which provide insights into spending habits and help users make informed financial decisions. When creating a budget, it is crucial to prioritize debt repayment as a key expense. By allocating a portion of income towards paying off debt each month, individuals can make steady progress towards becoming debt-free. This may involve making sacrifices in other areas of spending, but the long-term benefits of reducing debt and achieving financial freedom make it a worthwhile investment. By following these steps and incorporating debt repayment into their budget, viewers can take control of their finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Debt repayment strategies. Paying off debt efficiently requires a strategic approach and a commitment to financial discipline. In this section, we will explore effective strategies for debt repayment, including popular methods like the debt snowball and debt avalanche approaches. We will also provide tips on negotiating with creditors for better terms and encourage viewers to consider increasing their income through side hustles or freelance work to accelerate debt payoff. The debt snowball method involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. By focusing on eliminating smaller debts first, individuals can build momentum and motivation as they see progress being made. In contrast, the debt avalanche approach prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates, saving money on interest payments in the long run. Both methods have their merits, and viewers can choose the one that aligns best with their financial goals and preferences. Negotiating with creditors can be a valuable strategy for reducing the burden of debt. By reaching out to lenders to request lower interest rates, extended payment plans, or settlement offers, individuals can potentially save money and make debt repayment more manageable. Effective communication and demonstrating a willingness to work towards a solution can lead to positive outcomes in negotiations. In addition to optimizing debt repayment strategies, viewers can explore opportunities to increase their income through side hustles or freelance work. Generating extra income can provide additional funds to put towards debt repayment, accelerating the payoff process and bringing financial freedom closer within reach. Whether it's starting a small business, offering services online, or taking on part-time work, diversifying income streams can have a significant impact on debt reduction efforts. By combining effective debt repayment strategies with proactive steps to boost income, viewers can take control of their financial future and work towards a debt-free life. Building an emergency fund. An essential component of achieving debt freedom is the establishment of an emergency fund. In this section, we will emphasize the significance of having an emergency fund in the journey towards financial stability and debt reduction. We will explain the purpose of an emergency fund, recommend practical steps for setting aside funds, and share real-life examples of how an emergency fund can serve as a financial safety net in times of need. An emergency fund is a reserve of savings set aside for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. By having a dedicated fund for unforeseen circumstances, individuals can avoid resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards to cover expenses, thus preventing further debt accumulation and maintaining progress towards debt freedom. To build an emergency fund, viewers can start by setting aside a specific amount from each paycheck, whether it's a fixed percentage or a set dollar amount. Consistency is key in growing the fund over time, and automating contributions through direct deposit or automatic transfers can help ensure regular savings without the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Having an emergency fund can be a financial lifesaver in various situations. For example, unexpected medical expenses not covered by insurance, sudden home repairs, or a temporary loss of income due to unforeseen circumstances can all be mitigated by having a cushion of savings to fall back on. By sharing examples of how an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and financial security in times of crisis, viewers can understand the importance of prioritizing this financial safety net in their journey towards debt freedom. Investing for the future. As individuals work towards achieving debt freedom and financial stability, investing can play a crucial role in securing their long-term financial well-being. In this section, we will introduce the concept of investing as a means to build wealth post-debt, highlighting the benefits of starting early and investing consistently. We will discuss various investment options suitable for millennials, such as index funds and robo-advisors, and emphasize the importance of seeking professional advice before making investment decisions. Investing early and consistently is key to long-term wealth accumulation, as it allows individuals to benefit from the power of compounding over time. By starting to invest early, even with small amounts, individuals can harness the potential for their money to grow exponentially through reinvested earnings and market returns. Consistent contributions to investment accounts can further amplify wealth accumulation and provide a solid foundation for financial security in the future. For millennials looking to dip their toes into investing, options such as index funds and robo-advisors offer accessible and diversified investment opportunities. Index funds track a specific market index, providing broad exposure to a range of assets with low fees, making them a popular choice for passive investors. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, use algorithms to manage investment portfolios based on individual risk tolerance and financial goals, offering a hands-off approach to investing for those seeking convenience and automation. While investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, it is essential for viewers to seek professional advice before making investment decisions. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and goals, helping viewers make informed choices that align with their long-term financial objectives. By understanding the benefits of investing, exploring suitable options, and seeking expert advice, viewers can take proactive steps towards securing their financial future post-debt. The journey to financial freedom for millennials involves managing debt effectively, creating a budget, exploring debt repayment strategies, building an emergency fund, and investing for the future. By taking proactive steps to address their financial challenges, viewers can pave the way towards a more secure and prosperous future. We have highlighted the significance of managing debt and taking control of personal finances as essential steps towards achieving financial stability. By understanding the impact of debt, creating a realistic budget, and prioritizing debt repayment, individuals can make significant progress towards becoming debt-free and building a solid financial foundation. We encourage viewers to implement the strategies discussed in this video and track their progress towards their financial goals. Whether it's setting aside funds for an emergency fund, negotiating with creditors for better terms, or exploring investment opportunities, every small step taken brings them closer to financial freedom. To stay motivated and engaged on their financial journey, we invite viewers to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these financial tips. By building a community of support and sharing knowledge, we can empower each other to make informed financial decisions and work towards a brighter financial future together. Remember, financial freedom is within reach, and by taking action today, viewers can set themselves on a path towards a more secure and fulfilling tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you on your journey to financial success.